How to remove suggested for you on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can remove suggested for you on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove suggested for you on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application. Let's just say that whenever you scroll down over here, you should be able to see a suggested post section over here which you might not want to see on Instagram. How do you remove them? To remove them, you just want to come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, tapping the three lines option from the top right, and then just going to settings. When you come to settings over here, you should be able to find this option known as suggested content. Make sure to select this option here, and here you can see snooze suggested post, which says hide suggested post in feed for 30 days. So you want to enable and disable this every 30 days, and now when you enable this for the next 30 days, suggested posts will be successfully hidden and you will no longer be able to see them. This way you can remove suggested for you on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.